This video walks you through how to lock a period in Xero. Begin by signing in to your Xero account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the top navigation and click Accounting. This opens the area where you can manage financial options and account settings related to your organization. From the Accounting menu, select Accounting Settings. After that page loads, look for Financial Settings and click it to continue. This section contains several controls tied to the way your books are managed, including the date restrictions used to prevent changes to earlier transactions. On the Financial Settings page, scroll down until you reach the Lock Date section. If the page contains several settings, move steadily through it so you do not skip past the section by mistake. The Lock Date controls are where you decide how far back users can make changes in the file. In the Lock Dates section, you will see two options. One option is Stop all users except advisors making changes on and before this date. The other is Stop all users making changes on and before this date. Choose the option that matches the level of restriction you want to apply. If you want advisors to retain access to make adjustments in the locked period while other users are restricted, use the first option. If you want no users to make changes on or before a certain date, use the second option. Once you have chosen the correct field, enter or select the date you want to use as the lock date. Take a moment to review that date before saving. Check that it covers the accounting period you want to protect, and make sure it does not stop changes in a period that still needs editing. This review matters because the selected date determines which transactions can no longer be changed by the users included in the rule you picked. When the date looks correct, click Save to apply the lock date. Xero will then update the financial settings for your organization using the date and restriction level you selected. If the page refreshes or displays the saved setting, that confirms the change has been applied. After saving, the lock date remains in place until it is updated again in financial settings. If you return to this section later, you can review the saved date and confirm that it still matches the accounting period you want protected. For the current task, once save has been clicked and the setting is in place, the period is locked according to the option you selected. Your selected accounting period in Xero is now locked with the date restriction you applied.